Yeah.
Gallop rhythm. Predator.
All right. Predator.
The war editor.
The war editor. So here I know. Me hear a song where I say, that one your name mad. Boy, this the flexer make me get mad. See? And me I say, yeah, that youth here. Something about him voice. Because as a writer, too, when me hear a sound, my ears move. Cause me can't just you know if you have lyrics, you know if you can whatever, you know. It's from me hear you and you have a certain kind of sound, me can
You can write feed.
You understand what I say? So at that me hear Predator have a sound. And me I say, nah man, a youth a sound. This can work. Saying after that one song that me hear. So Dia now have the rhythm name Gallop.
Gallop.
And he want a strength. So I like work with the new producer them, you know? Cause I always I try with them, see me and thing and ray. All of them I try with. So anyway, when Dia play the rhythm for me and thing and I go say boom, I did I build a song for myself when I sing on the rhythm, different on girl song. The song the same elephant song there are the same rhythm.
Right.
Yeah. So and then my dad know and I vibe the rhythm and you know the idea come to me the whole mad, sick, head no good. Mad, sick, head no good. Jungle man them mad. See me say Dia listen this. Cause the rhythm I go, me I say this is where the rhythm I tell me, you know. Mad, sick, head no good. Mad, sick, head no good. Jungle man them mad, sick, head no good. Mad, sick, head no good. Waterhouse, mad, sick. I'm gonna go say boom and build out the song and I say no, me alone nah do that song yeah. Cause me no feel it fit me. I say yo, you see the brother me here I do the song and say that one that name mad. Boy this deflex make me get mad. Me need to find him. And them say must go up at Exodus. I'm a drive from the studio. There I have the studio. What's the name again? What the road the name? But anyway, my drive go up at Exodus studio and I see Predator. And I say, yo brother, studio, more we go, you know. Me I do a song with you, you know. And him said, Jesus Christ, KIPRICH, you really gonna sing a song with me? You know, my boss now. See him when I go on, you know, with excitement. Yeah. I say, brother, come and not that serious, but you see me? I'm taking him in my vehicle. I'm going to go down at the studio. I'm going to say, all right, them I go say. You see me? Man mad, but we are not clown with it. Nah, see we step out a bone with it. Nah, see we roam downtown with it. Man firm and I hold them ground. Police find chalice and 10 pound with it. So me decide say me nah go down with it. And me girl she go cute plus brown with it. For me go lock up, we go bacon brown. Man see AK run when they hear the sound with it. One pop, chuck off and drown with it. Go no borrow, no come with no loan with it. Me stick you up for your thing down front. You know what I mean? Smarty I go dead. The dog them own with it. Rape thing no come in my zone with it. Your chest gone, your head top down with it. Leave your family if you stress and moan. Sing, mad, sick, head no good. Mad, sick, head no good. Brother, that song they bust in a 1 week.
Go had a week.
1 week. Champs go on and the whole of champs. When me I watch a TV, a big gold bumper take me. Them beat down stadium, cheer them and everywhere. All you can hear a mad, sick, head no good. Mad, sick, head no good. Are the fastest busing song. Me do.
Yeah?
Fastest busing song. Mad, sick, head no good. Are the fastest song. I have got #1.